view.
Oh my goodness.
How much better could it get? None. None. Oh, this is the view that we need right now. Oh, serious.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
look at Tron, you can see under. Sleeper couch and sleeper chair. But we don't need it. You got your own room, bud. Unbelievable. Happy 50th.
Happy 50th. Happy 50th. This is phenomenal.
I cannot believe it. This is like the view and room I dream of. Like, not since we stayed in the 2-story
Yeah.
have we had this kind of a view.
The 3-bedroom we stayed in years ago.
Happy birthday, Walt Disney World. Getting all set for fireworks viewing in the house.
It's on the channel. Hey, we get to sit down. Somebody's playing basketball down there. And talk about loving your sport. Like, I'm not playing basketball.
All set for the fireworks here. We saw Enchantment opening night, and we knew that we were going to be staying here, so we were excited about getting this view. And next week we'll be over probably beachside, staying at the
Grand Floridian.
so probably gonna grab some beachside views there. But tonight, from Bay Lake Tower, from the contemporary
I'm so excited.
Enchantment,
It'll
another
be
point of view.
interesting to see it from here. It's a cloudy night. It looked like it was gonna rain, but it didn't. So nice.
Let's take it in. Love it.
You know, being on a 12th floor balcony is a bad time to mention that. I do have a fear of heights. So,
Well, you're doing quite well. This will stretch it.
yeah.
All right, make a wish. You deserve it. What'd you think?
I really enjoyed seeing the fireworks from the room.
Yeah.
Quite a bit, or from this height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enchanted. Quite
We
nice.
didn't hear the music or see the visuals as much, but
Yeah, I could hear it a little bit.
Yeah.
But for real, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
And you know, I mean,
What'd you
I
think?
got to remember a lot.
Good.
yeah.
For sure. Great view on it. And I think there was one firework that went off at forest level. I don't know if they're doing that
yeah.
every time or if
That
one
was
went off
cool.
low. It was like a bloom on the ground.
That
so
was really cool.
incredible.
Yeah, we could just focus on the fireworks tonight, and that was beautiful.
For sure.
But I still can see Tinkerbell, so all's good.
Yes.
She
And
goes a long way.
that's what I was gonna
Yes.
say. From this perspective, I
Yeah.
did not realize she passes over us, and normally you're like,
Where'd she go?
there she goes. A long
I
way.
think you can
I
see her
thought
from
she-
Main Street for a while.
All the way
I
down.
thought she went just to Tomorrowland Terrace, but apparently she goes like all the way to like
Somewhere where they catch
For
her.
real.
I don't know
Behind,
how
like,
they do it.
on one of the
It's
rooftops on Main
hydraulics, I'm
Street, like something like that. Pretty
Yeah.
awesome. But
Yeah.
really great.
I
Great
really
view.
enjoyed it tonight from here. It was definitely
real.
more comfortable.
yeah.
Yes. But
Oh, sorry.
awesome. So our second viewing,
Yes.
and it's really like growing on us. Really. So beautiful. But I think you guys were telling me about a little bit of outdoor pool
Yeah.
here.
I'm gonna see if the pool table's still set up.
Let's go hit some billiards at the Contemporary.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
See who wins.
Let's rack them up. Took in the 50th celebration Contemporary Cupcake here at the Contemporary Cafe. Looking good. Mickey and Minnie classic style with the 50th and the Contemporary logo over it. Happy 50th, Walt Disney World. You're looking delicious. Taking in the outdoor night games and festivities at the Contemporary. What does that mean?
I hear some music on the water.
Oh, yes.
Yep.
The electrical show on
Yes.
the tower. And pavement checkers.
Yes.
Yeah. 5 Whoppers and 5 more Whoppers.
Look at that pool shark. Oh, Contemporary branded cornhole. All the resorts are in on it. Look at the water show coming in. It starts somewhere, doesn't it?
go.
Don't win it. You did it to me again. Oh no. Oh no.
That's it. What a fun jaunt out into the Contemporary.
Yeah.
Great cupcake and great billiards by Bay Lake with the electric water parade to entertain. So awesome. Good job. I lost on the 8-ball sunk
That's right.
and a scratch in the same stroke. Hilarious. So, of course it would be that way because I'm just the Disney dad and it's about that I'm having a good time. But I'm having a great time, of course. Always do. Thanks for making it so fun.
You're welcome.
Little nighty night in the Contemporary. Always a good sleep. So, just loving it here again. Definitely bringing the whole family back. Did we pass our room?
We passed our room.
Let's go. Get some rest. Good morning, Walt Disney World. It's really hard to believe it was just a week ago today we were over there at Magic Kingdom with so many celebrating the 50th. First week, done, over, amazing. Well, that's it. All good things come to an end. Hard to believe. It was just a week ago we were over at the 50th at Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
These three champs, these three Musketeers. So great being with you guys on our journeys. And you guys are heading over to Hollywood, and I'm gonna join you a little bit later. But thank
But
you.
it's been a real treat staying here, hasn't it?
Yeah, it really
Oh my
has. It
goodness.
was really fun.
Thank you, Disney, for upgrading us.
I was literally sleeping and I could see the castle right on my window.
Perfect. Who can sleep? I know.
Really?
I gotta
For real.
just look at the castle a few times.
Yeah.
So that's what you gotta do when you stay here, for sure.
All right. Off to Hollywood,
Yep.
and we'll see you real soon.